Welcome to our glass railing configurator, a tool designed to support you simply, step by step, in the realization of your project. No worries, each configuration will be checked by our expert technicians at the layout step. Before we get started, let's find out how the configurator works. Your project is built in 4 simple steps. First the lengths, then the choice of glass, then the accessories, and finally transport and support. Each step guides you step by step, without complexity, to allow you to move forward serenely until the final validation. Let's start with the general shape of your railing. This is its reading seen from above, the one that defines the overall implementation of your project. Depending on your configuration, you can choose a straight, L-shaped, U-shaped, or a more complex shape. This first step allows you to lay the foundations of the project and understand its structure. You then indicate the lengths of each part. These are not definitive measurements, but a simple estimate. No worries, each configuration will be checked by our expert technicians at the layout step. We systematically integrate technical interplays, about 10 mm between each pane of glass, and 10 mm between the glass and the walls, to ensure perfect installation. Now let's move on to the height of the glazing. It corresponds to the distance between the floor, at the level of the fixing, and the top of the glass. For a guardrail, the regulatory height is 100 centimeters. These dimensions ensure both compliance with standards and user safety. For staircase projects, it's the same for stairs. This is its reading seen from above, the one that defines the overall implementation of your project. Depending on your configuration, you can choose a shape in 1 section, 2 sections, 3 sections, etc. You then specify the total length of all sections. No worries, each configuration will be checked by our expert technicians at the layout step. You then choose the type of glass. Clear glass is the most commonly used. It offers an excellent balance between transparency and aesthetics. The extra clear glass provides maximum transparency, ideal for high-end projects. Opaque glass allows for privacy while asserting a modern style. Our glazing is tempered laminated glass, composed of several layers to guarantee safety and resistance. 88.4 glass is the most common, while 1010.4 is recommended for higher heights or stresses. The finish corresponds to the treatment of the edges of the glazing. The JPP finish, for flat polished joints, is the most popular. It offers a clean, regular and pleasant to the touch finish. A raw finish can be considered on certain specific projects, with a more technical and deliberately refined rendering. No worries, each configuration will be checked by our expert technicians at the layout step. You then choose the fastening accessories. Chemical sealing is the most widely used solution, reliable, durable and discreet. The handrail, on the other hand, provides an elegant finish and reinforces the rigidity of the whole. It is optional indoors, but strongly recommended outdoors. The tools required for installation are also specified to ensure a compliant and safe installation. Once your setup is complete, we arrange for your railing to be delivered. Transport is carried out by an adapted vehicle, with a tailgate, to guarantee safe handling. If you wish, we can also put you in touch with a qualified installer. Your configuration is finalized. Before manufacturing, our technical teams carefully control each project. It is this requirement that guarantees a reliable, aesthetic and durable result. Thank you for your trust.